been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I've got a very exciting video to do today because I've just got myself the new Apple Macbook Air and I'm going to do a review on it. So if you're interested to see me unbox my absolutely brand new MacBook Air, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the box, and it's silver tone laptop. I think I'll turn it around. So at a first glance, it's very thin, it's very streamlined. Now I'm going to charge her up. Okay, I've switched it on and it's already about 40% charged. And to be quite honest with you, I'm not a big fan of the touchpad. I have to use a mouse no matter what. So luckily for this particular model, there are 2 USB ports. There is a headphone jack, which is really good. So in the box you get the AC wall plug, which is this here, and also you get the 45 watt MegaSafe 2 power adapter and power cord. So this is the power cord that goes into the laptop, but it's interesting because it's magnetic, so you don't even have to force it into the machine. So that just goes in like that. The only reason I bought the Air was because I couldn't justify an extra $500 to get the Apple Mac Pro when the iMovie application on both of these computers are exactly the same. The reason why I got the Air is because for editing purposes and for all of my YouTubing. So basically you've got a butterfly keyboard, which is stock standard. I prefer the butterfly keyboard. I like to feel the click when I'm actually typing. It's fun to use, it's powerful, it looks incredible, it's very slim, it's very large. As you can see, it is powered by Intel Core 5th generation processor with 8GB DDR3 RAM and 12 gigs of SSD capacity to make it such a multitasking and smooth and easy experience. It's designed with a backlight keyboard and a multi-touch trackpad, which is good for those who like it, but as for me, I am a mouse user. I cannot use the mouse pad for the life of me. It's got a display camera, and my MacBook Air lasts up to 12 incredible hours between charges. So from your morning coffee until the evening, you can work unplugged, and with up to 30 days of standby time. So you can go away from this laptop for weeks and pick up where you left off. It's thin, it's light, it's powerful, and it's ready for everything. Whatever the task, the 5th generation Intel Core 5 processors has HD graphics of 6000. From editing photos to browsing the web, it's ultra fast, and all that power is encased in an incredibly 1.7 centimeter design that weighs 1.35 kilograms. It instantly connects. I mean, I had no problem connecting to the internet. All you had to do was press settings and then go through the prompts to your particular server. It includes an Airport Extreme Airport time capsule, and it also delivers an expanded range, so you can work freely from a distance from your wireless. And all systems go with SSD storage. The SSD storage in the Mac is up to 17 times faster than a 500 RPM notebook hard drive. So everything you do is snappy and responsive, and it even wakes up very fast thanks to the SSD storage 5th generation Intel Core processor. The Mac OS is the operating system that powers everything that you do on the Mac. It's the Mac OS Sierra, which introduces Siri to Mac, along with new ways to enjoy your photos, shop more securely online, and work seamlessly between devices. I got it in silver because it was on special. This particular model goes for around $1,600, But now with the Boxing Day special, I was able to get it down to $12.50. So that was a big bargain for me. And like I said, I could not justify getting the Apple Mac Pro at around $1,900 when the features were pretty much the same, and it didn't have the SD reading card on the Pro, which for me was very important. Camera is 720p FaceTime HD camera. Got an SDX card slot, like I said, which is very important for me, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Bluetooth 4.0 wireless technology, stereo speakers, dual microphone. That's pretty much it. I mean, for the price and the fact that I've been doing everything on my iPad, the editing features on the iMovie is bar none. It's excellent, and for all beginners, before you even think about going on to Adobe or Premiere editing, this is the way to go. Do I love it? Yes, I do. Do I recommend it? Highly. I highly recommend it, and it has encryption for all your safety needs on your computer. I hope you enjoyed this very brief unboxing review on Apple Mac Air. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So once again, bye for now, and I'll see you soon.